This guide will walk you through the process of adding a barcode to the product edit page. Click WooCommerce. Click Settings. Click EAN. Click Barcodes. Navigate to Barcodes options. Go to Barcode section. Enable the Barcode section. Go to Admin Product Edit page. Enable the display of barcode image on the Admin Product Edit page. Go to Admin Products List columns. Add the Barcode column to the Admin Products list. Go to Products tab and find column. Edit the column title. Access bulk actions for managing barcodes. Click Save Changes. Thanks for watching this video.